Good morning from beautiful Hout Bay. Today is my last morning here and just sitting outside talking to the birds, the trees, all that is nature, all that is living, the cloud people, the skies. It's so beautiful to move around so much, locations, destinations leading to destiny. It's a beautiful path when I feel it, I walk it. Every people, every person, every individual, be it walking, crawling, talking, speaking, talking, doing its thing. So I just wanted to say to all, have a beautiful day and stay on the path of your chosen, of your gifted, because it's really important. And hopefully there will be people in your life who will understand that you are not lost, you are not without home, you are not without self. You have an abundance of home, you have an abundance of that, and all that, and all that, all of this, all that is nature. I call my home Earth, this place, this universe, though I think I'm from somewhere else, but I'm in this human form, so I'll stay with it and love all the beauty that envelope me, that caress me, that kiss me to a happy delight of haberness. I love you, Earth. I love you, heart. I love you, tutus. I love you, crawlers. I love you, jumpers. I love you, hoppers. I love you, walkers. I love you, strollers. All of you. I love you, and I send you all so much love today and every today. Live your truth. And people, if you come across one of me, stop saying ach shame. There is no ach shame in my life. I am moving around. I am exactly where I should be, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Did I take off the makeup yesterday? It's still there. Well, I was waking until 8 in the morning, so I kind of like dozed off and woke up and straight into work again. But it's not work. It's passionate. It's passionating. I passionate. You know, passionate. I passionate. So with that, I see you. I love you. I kiss you. Thwaaaaaa. Ke nna mme wa Pula. Ke nna wa Lerato.